Hello everyone, we are the original Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to introduce you to this absolutely fabulous 1966 Series 1 XKE Roadster. Drivers only for this one, please. Our client, a true enthusiast, has built this car to be one of the best driving E-types on the road. This is not your Concours example, but it does have $100,000 in mechanical work. Anyone want to do the Colorado Grand or the California Melee? Step right up. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive. Our client added this car to his collection in 2007. After some initial work, he used it for the next 4 years before embarking on an ambitious mechanical rebuild. That included a fully rebuilt engine. It was honed and balanced, featuring Crowler rods. The cylinders were overbored by 2 100ths. Performance camshafts and triple SUs were rebuilt. A modern 5-speed transmission was also added. A new wiring harness, rebuilt suspension, clutch replacement, a lightweight flywheel, and a limited slip differential were all added to complete the build. This is a great driving car and available on Bring a Trailer. For more information, visit us at Genau, Autowerks.com. Thank you.